right, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I have something super cool, revolutionary seeming for the detailing industry, and a little background story, guys. So as you know, I do a lot of stuff with GloveBox, really cool monthly subscription box. They send you out monthly kind of variation of different products, so you can really test things out and really get a good idea of what works best for you or what works best for your clients' cars. Every car is a little bit different. Certain products work better on others, in my opinion. So really cool service. Well, about a week ago, I got an email from them saying, hey, would you like to be a part of a Zoom call that we're going to be having? We're going to be doing some special, something special that we want you to be a part of. I'm super honored, I accepted. And yesterday was the Zoom call. A few days before the Zoom call, I got this box. Now, here is the really cool part of it, guys. GloveBox is actually releasing their own line of products, which you can see right here. However, they are starting off with just 4 products. We're doing a waterless wash, a interior cleaner, a spray wax, and a glass cleaner. So 4 items to start off with. But the really amazing thing, guys, is the delivery system of this product I've never seen across any detailing company ever before. They were telling us that apparently this technology is being used in some household cleaners, but I believe they have the exclusive right for it currently for detailing products. And basically that is the delivery system. Let me go ahead and pull one out of here for you. It's really cool. So just so you guys can see, they're gonna ship you out. This is the kit that it comes with originally. The kit, I believe they said they're still working out the pricing, but it's gonna be around 69 bucks. I believe MSRP. If you were to buy each thing individually, it would come to that. I think they're selling the kit around 50 bucks. But guys, as a added benefit, if you are a subscriber to GloveBox, and I'll have a link down in the description below for you guys, this February box is going to be a takeover of their own brand. So if you are a part of GloveBox, you're gonna get this in your February kit, which is amazing because this product's super cool. I'm having a lot of fun playing with it. I think you guys will all see how cool the delivery system is and be really happy with it. But just so you see, the kit comes with 4 bottles, and they're claiming to be relatively indestructible bottles. I mean, just that they're gonna last you a long time. They are a proprietary bottle and trigger system that works with a little delivery system of their chemical. But basically what you get is 4 bottles, 4 trigger sprayers, 4 of the chemicals, and then each chemical is color coded with its towel. So right off the bat, guys, your waterless wash comes with a nice, it is a green color, comes with a green towel. All their towels are sourced from the Rag company, so they're good quality towels. So good to go there. Let's see here. For the interior cleaner, you get a different type of microfiber towel, but again, color coded. And for the glass cleaner, a nice waffle weave blue towel. I apologize, I don't know if this is blown out a little bit. If it's, let me back up my light a little bit here, guys, so you can see a little bit better. And then for the spray wax, you will be getting a purple towel to match the purple product. So really cool, guys. All right, now with all that said, let's jump into the delivery system. Now I already did these 3, but I will show you on the last one how this works. Okay guys, so for this last one, again, product wise, they did a waterless wash in green, a spray wax in purple, glass cleaner in blue, and the interior cleaner, they wanted to go with a concept of interior, you just want it pure and clean. So it's actually a clear product. There's no dye to this, there's no color. It's just gonna go in clear. So it's not gonna be the best representation of me showing you, but I did take video of the other one, so you guys will see that. And I'm just gonna show you how this actually works. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so first things first, like I said, you get a bottle, you get your trigger right here, and the trigger is proprietary that goes with this delivery system. And third, you get the cartridge. Now this is where your chemical is. Let's see if I can get this to focus. So as you can see here, it says refill GloveBox, and it tells you interior cleaner right on the top here. The scent on all these is going to be clean scent. They're gonna be very similar across the board. So you know what product you're using, guys. It's all GloveBox. They're going after an idea of like, hey, if you smell this, you think GloveBox. So basically how this works is, here's the canister, right? So you can see it has a little lip right here, and it also has a pass through. So you can see it goes right through. That's where your straw will actually go right through that. So you got this top piece here with the lip. That's going to sit right in the bottle. You just drop it right in the bottle and it sits right on top on that lip. Really, really cool. Next, we will take our straw, place it through the middle of it. And this is why it's a proprietary trigger, is that it pushes the canister down. So basically what we're gonna do is, I'm just gonna get it set up here. All right, you can hear, I don't know if you heard that or not, but it cracks and it breaks the seal on the canister. And if you watch the bottom of it, as I tighten this down, it'll open up that bottom a little bit. As you can, I don't know if you can see it, it's coming down. There you go. And then, there you go. The chemical is coming out of it and being delivered into the solution. So you can see it there. So it's out now, you can shake it up and you're good to go. Your interior cleaner is prepped and ready to roll. Now, one thing to note, guys, is while you're doing this, you do want to fill the bottle up with water, and you want to fill it up to this fill line right here. It just allows a better solution for the product dropping into it and releasing properly. So just keep that in mind. Now let's talk about why they did this, guys. So you can buy product from any brand, right? The problem is, a lot of it, especially in the world that we live in, a lot of stuff's direct to consumer. A lot of people order stuff online and get it delivered. So if you look at any chemical from any brand, right, they're gonna look just like this. The problem is with those is, even though it looks like this, you saw how much chemical was actually in that, and the rest was water. So in shipping, you're spending so much money on that additional weight and size that it just doesn't make a lot of sense, right, guys? It's very heavy, it's very expensive to ship. Not the most environmentally friendly because you're going through so many bottles. Well, with this, guys, they send you out the bottle in the initial kit, and then when you need new product, all they're sending you out is that little refill cartridge, which is just super cool. It's super easy to ship, really cheap for them to ship. You're getting the same amount of product, right? Another benefit of this is perfect dilution ratios. They have this already designed to water fills to there. This little canister goes in. It's the perfect dilution ratio. Now, as a professional detailer, I do have staff now. I have actually 2 guys that work with me. One's a contractor and then one's a full-blown employee. When they're refilling their chemicals in their trucks, I've trained them on the dilution ratios that I like. However, they're out on the road. I don't know if they're actually following them to the T. Well, with this, they don't have to deal with it, right? They just have their bottle. When they're out of product, they fill it back up with water, they grab a canister, pop it in there, tighten it down. I know that they're using the exact proper dilution ratio of every chemical. Super, super cool. Really, really, really cool concept. I've never seen this, like I said, I've never seen this from any brand before. We did speak on the Zoom call. They are not going to be providing any labels. They want it just a really nice, clean look. However, if you do look inside, right here, guys, right along the top, you can see the label of the cartridge, so you know what's in there. Also, after getting used to using these, you're going to know, hey, purple is my spray wax. I don't have to worry about it. I know exactly what I'm going for. I don't need a label there. I know purple, spray wax. Clear is my interior cleaner. Green is going to be my waterless wash, and blue is going to be my window cleaner. All right, now let's talk design. So really cool. It's definitely different, right? And they are kind of a squared out, sort of like a Fiji water bottle. And the reasoning for that is for you guys, now I don't know if it's gonna be ideal for me in my trucks, because you know all my bottle holders are circular. But for the shop situation, for all you people at home using this solution, it's amazing because you can stack them right up next to each other. Super clean, super efficient, doesn't waste any space. Here, let me pan that over for you guys. Doesn't waste any space. Everything lines up really, really nicely. So good on them for doing that. I think, you know, as a professional, storage in my van, it might be a little bit loose, but for everyone else that's storing it at their home, in their cupboard, all that kind of stuff, it's really kind of the best solution. Now, they are working on the possibility of making larger bottles as well for you professionals out there. Just because with this, you do go through the product quickly on a professional side. But still, guys, since the bottle is so easy to carry around and the canisters are so small, I don't have any issue with this running it in my professional mobile detailing units, because it's not like I'm carrying big gallon jugs or anything. I'm just carrying a tiny little canister of the product that dilutes super easy. And again, the added benefit of me knowing that my employees are running the exact dilution ratio that I want, huge benefit. So that's it, guys, for today's video. I just wanted to give you the really quick update to what GloveBox is doing. It's really cool. Now this new line is going to be called GloveBoxRX. I'll put a link for the website down in the description. I think it's live now. They were saying I think it goes live Sunday, or the actual product release date will be February 5th, where you guys can start ordering this stuff. However, like I said, if you're already a subscription holder for GloveBox, their monthly subscription service, you will be getting this in next month's box. They wanted to give the subscribers first go at it so you guys can actually start playing with it and testing it out. Super cool concept. I'm a huge fan, and I think it's going to be really cool to start working with these. Now, again, next month in your box, guys, I have my coupon code down in the description for GloveBox. I think it gets you 20% off, I think, 20% off. But I'll have that link in the description so you guys can go get that. Make sure you do it now so that you get it in time, get your order in time so you get this February box, because it's super cool. All right, guys, that's it for today. We will be touching base once I get, next month's box comes in. I'll do another recap on this. I'm gonna start testing these products out. They worked on these chemicals for a long time. They actually said that they started working on this about 2 years ago. So they've been refining the process. They're detailers through and through, so I don't have any issues. I have total confidence in these chemicals. But I'm gonna be using these, and then I'll update you guys down the road as well on what I think about the products. But that's it, guys. I hope that helps. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you're subscribed, and turn on that notification bell. Again, sign up for GloveBox. It's linked down in the description below, so you guys get this box you get this whole collection in next month's box, and then you can start ordering the refills nice and easy. So that's it, guys. We'll see you on the next one.